guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the most popular, hot selling and a trending product. Not a product, actually there are two products quite similar to each other. Without wasting any time, let me just show you guys the products and explain you how to use them. Well, so these are the two products that I have been talking about. These are clip-in bangs or fringes, whatever you want to call them. So here, this is the first product which I want to show you guys. So this is how it looks. There is this one clip which you need to attach to your hair, and that's it. This will change your entire look. Other fringes that I have is this. Well, it's slightly different from the first one just because this one has these two strands on the side. Well, I'll show you how these two look on me so that you can decide which one would you like. Well, both of them have one clip. Very easy to use. You're gonna see that right now in this video. So step one, just take your fringes and you need to straighten them so that they fall perfectly on your forehead and are not curled or wavy. So once you're done with this, you just have to open the clip now, and you just need to place these fringes and see how long you want the fringes to be. I think this is the perfect length. If I take it little above, can you see, it just doesn't look nice. So I like fringes when they just fall right on my eyebrows. So once I have decided where I want to place the fringes, I will just clip it here. And that's it, guys. It was really easy to do this. You all saw it just took me a few seconds to clip in these fringes, and they are extremely light. You won't feel any heaviness here on your head. So guys, this is how easy it is to apply these fringes. What do you guys think about my new look? Now let's go on to our second product, which is fringes with strands on the sides. So again, same thing, just unclip it. See where you want to place the fringes. And just clip it. Now I think with these side strands, what I really like to do is I just like to pull my hair into a ponytail or into a bun. So right now I'll just put my hair into a messy bun and we'll show you guys how it looks. So that's it. This is my second look. What do you guys think about it? Which is your favorite product, the one with the strands on the side or this one? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll be coming with more videos to show you guys how you can style these fringes, how you can straighten them, and how you can take care of these fringes. So stay tuned for more and more videos, guys. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe, stay healthy.